The best way to learn English is through sentences. Watch my videos and learn English quickly. Let's begin. I was in London last year. I was in London last year. He went to London a week ago. He went to London a week ago. We went to school when we were children. We went to school when we were children. I used to read a lot. I used to read a lot. We went to the zoo 2 weeks ago. We went to the zoo 2 weeks ago. It's time they were back. It's time they were back. He often went to the pub after work. He often went to the pub after work. He played golf for 10 years. He played golf for 10 years. He played golf for 10 years. How long did you live in Mexico? How long did you live in Mexico? They opened the door, looked at him, and went to the kitchen. They opened the door, looked at him, and went to the kitchen. We ate out yesterday. We ate out yesterday. They often went to the bar for a drink before dinner. They often went to the bar for a drink before dinner. Maria could speak Spanish when she was a teenager. Maria could speak Spanish when she was a teenager. When he was a teenager, they never went anywhere at weekends. When he was a teenager, they never went anywhere at weekends. We didn't used to go to the club very often. We didn't used to go to the club very often. I went to see Jane. I went to see Jane. They went to the theater. They went to the theater. I told Jane the story myself. I told Jane the story myself. Sarah came to see me while I was out. Sarah came to see me while I was out. We didn't go out because it was cold. We didn't go out because it was cold. I left early since I was tired. I left early since I was tired. It was raining, so we didn't go out. It was raining, so we didn't go out. I came home after midnight. I came home after midnight. They went to Miami instead of New York. They went to Miami instead of New York. We stayed until the next day. We stayed until the next day. Did you buy any meat yesterday? Did you buy any meat yesterday? While I was in Mexico City, there was a festival. While I was in Mexico City, there was a festival. What did he want to make? What did he want to make? They heard the noise during the night. They heard the noise during the night. They heard the noise during the night. That's all for today. See you next time.